everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Shein try on haul. I have several items that I'm going to be trying on, showing you guys, giving you guys the rundown. If I thought the items were quality, would I repurchase? So if you have been curious about this website like me, I hope you'll stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and check out some of my other hauls. I have a lot of Express, Bath & Body Works hauls. I first heard about Shein from some people at my old job. They would purchase their clothing and I would see them wear it at work and it looked cute and trendy. And so I was very curious myself to see if the lower prices would yield higher quality, if the items would look kind of similar to things you would find at Forever 21 and H&M. I certainly had no expectations for an Express or even Misguided style quality, but I will have to say that all of the items at first glance looked very, very cheap and low quality. So let's dive in and try on each of these items. The first thing that I got was this plaid skirt, and on the website it definitely looks more of a brown plaid, but it's actually a pink plaid, and I think this is really cute and trendy, but unfortunately this skirt is so thin, kind of see-through. I got everything in my normal size, so this is a US size 6, and this is not equivalent to a US size 6 at Express or even H&M. This is very, very tiny, tight, and if I were you, I would definitely size up. The skirt is just cute, but it's just not what I was looking for, a little bit too see-through, and so I decided that I will be returning this. Next up, we have my favorite item from the haul, and that is this color block sweater. It's very itchy though, the sweater material, not soft. It starts from a tan and this kind of camel brown to black, so it's cute. It's not too cropped, it's a good length. It's probably the item that fits me the best out of this haul. And again, I got this in a size medium, but I decided to return it because it's uncomfortable and I also think it is very cheap looking. Next, I purchased this caramel colored sweater. It's like a mock neck. It's actually very soft and comfortable, but it's extremely cropped. And for me, I'm not really looking for a shirt that exposes my belly button, even with a high-waisted jeans, so I will be returning this as well. But this top was actually soft and a nicer quality than the other items. I was hoping for this shirt to pair with this skirt, but it didn't really work out. Now, this shirt right here, this gray mock neck, it's a piece of garbage. I can't put it any other way. This shirt is so thin. It is a child size. There is no way in hell this is a medium for an adult. There is just no way. It also didn't have a tag on it, which I found weird. This was just way too tight. Definitely returning. And then finally, this item looks so incredibly cheap, and that's this white crop top with these buttons. I just do not like the look of this. This is very see-through, very thin, a bit too cropped as well. I kind of have a similar shirt like this from H&M, and the quality is just so much better. So overall, I decided that I'm going to return. Unfortunately, all of these items, they're just way too cheap looking for my taste. I can tolerate, I like some clothes at Forever 21, H&M, like I said, even Amazon. But these items are definitely made to a lower standard than even those items, like even the cheapest things you would find at Forever 21. So I will be returning all of these, unfortunately, which I'm really sad because I really wanted them to work out, but I just didn't really like the way any of these items fit my body. I didn't like the look of the items, and I was very disappointed with Shein. Unfortunately, won't purchase any items again from them because I was just so disappointed with this order. In my opinion, it's best to spend a little bit more money. You can find some great deals at Express Factory Outlet, H&M, Amazon, Misguided. I would not order from this website, and that's just my opinion and take on this. I'm sure this is going to upset some people, but that's my experience with the brand, and I thought that I got some diverse items. So let me know if you've had a better experience with Shein in the comments below. I'm also just not interested in trying out a place where I have to like size up 3 sizes in order to get something that fits me comfortably and nicely. So that's my little Shein haul. I hope you guys will subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.